Where do people you may know suggestion come from on Facebook? Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's tutorial video, I'll try to explain to you guys where the people you may know suggestions come in your Facebook. So you might have this question after watching the you may know panel and noticing some people that you were thinking of or that you just met just appear out of nowhere on the suggestions. Now, the suggestions usually come from Facebook's algorithm, and they just have few things. They just have few requirements that people fill to just appear in your people you may know. So some of them can be like having few friends in common. So mutual friends that you have in common might result in some person appearing in your suggestions. Now that is the first point. The second is your network, such as your current city, school, or work. So if you have listed your school, your city, or your work in your profile, you might have been recommended by Facebook from people from that very city, school, or work. So yeah, the location, the place you work at also puts in the points for friend suggestions on people you may know. Now, if you don't want them, you can simply remove all of that information from your profile as well. And that's the second thing. And also, being in the same Facebook group will also result in the people you may know suggestions. So yeah, that's also a thing. And being in the same photo or post, that is, if you are tagged in a post and some other people that is not your friend is also tagged in the same post, they will also be on your people you may know. Also, if you have uploaded a contact, that is your contact information, you have uploaded on your Facebook, that is also a thing that plays a role in people you may know. So people from your contact will get recommended in your people you may know. So these points are what Facebook tells us that they help, or they select people to add in your friends suggestions. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.